Hi, everybody. This is your PED-110 LN12 instructor, Brian Kaprowski. Hopefully, you had watched my video that I sent out on Monday this week, which outlined the assignments that are going to be due in the course. For today, I just wanted to go over the assignments that are coming up in the class, especially the assignments that you are required to complete in order to remain in the class and not get dropped by the registrar's office. Okay, so let's go over those first, those requirements here for you to remain in the course. Okay, if we click here on the Start Here tab, okay, you can see here that there are 3 items that you will need to complete in the class. Okay, so this, if we just click on that, this kind of gives you a good overview. Again, I know I went over this on Monday, but this kind of gives you a good overview of the steps that you should have done when you first got access to this Blackboard course. So make sure that you're reading step 1, the syllabus. This is, remember, step 2, the expectations in the course. Review step 3, the course content and course resources. This is the course calendar. So if you have any questions on what assignments are going to be due for the week, you can click on this tab here that will show you the list of due dates. And then down here for step 5, okay, this is a list of important contacts throughout CCCC, and it just tells you what you will need to do to remain in the class. Okay, so let's talk about the important assignments that will be due. Okay, so you can see here there are 3 that you will be required to complete by Monday, February the 15th to stay enrolled in the class. So I need you to take the course information quiz. I need you to complete the consent form and accountability statement. And then I need for you to watch the academic tutorial quiz video here. There's a video that you will watch, and then you will click here and take the academic tutorial quiz. Okay, so remember, these 3 items need to be completed by Monday, February the 15th. Okay, so looking ahead, remember, we'll use this list of due dates here. You can see on Wednesday, February the 17th, concepts 1, 2, 3, and 4, the labs, the written assignments, and quizzes will be due in the class. Okay, now to find those course concepts assignments, you would click on course content, and then you can see the concepts listed here. So concepts 1 and 2 are grouped together. There are 6 assignments that you will need to complete here. And remember, they're all due on Wednesday, February the 17th by 11:59 p.m. And then you can see here that the concepts 3 and 4 assignments there's 6 of them as well. And those will also be due on Wednesday, the 17th as well. Okay, so I want to go over the concepts 1 chapter. I just want to let you know what all is entailed within them. Okay, so concepts 1 looks at health, wellness, fitness, and a healthy lifestyle, and it gives you basically a general introduction into the book and into this course as well. Concepts 2 looks at determinants of lifelong health, wellness, and fitness. Concepts 3 will look at self-management skills for health behavior change. And then concepts 4 will look at preparing for physical activity. Okay, so those are the concepts that you will be able to read in our book that's included within the course, that's embedded within it. Just one quick note, even though there are assignments due on the 15th, and I know that's a Monday, and that's only, those assignments are due because of the census period that you will need to complete those assignments by. But moving forward in the class, the remainder of assignments in this class will always be due on Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions or concern in the class, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I will definitely respond in a prompt manner to you. Take care. Have a good week. Bye-bye.